Garlic and honey may sound like an odd combination, but they can really work well together and result in impressive health outcomes. Health benefits of garlic. Garlic is great for its anti-inflammatory benefits and it has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic contains a rich amount of manganese, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. It helps to decrease blood pressure, improve cardiovascular health, and lower total cholesterol, prevent cancer, and metabolize iron. Garlic also purifies the blood and helps the body get rid of the toxins in the body. Health benefits of honey. Raw honey is packed full of antioxidants along with enzymes and minerals including iron, zinc, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and selenium. It also contains vitamin B6, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. Commercial honey is often heavily processed, and excessive heat destroys its natural enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. But raw honey is rich in taste and has a high number of nutritional benefits. It has a healthy glycemic index that aids in better digestion. The natural vitamins and minerals in raw honey help lower cholesterol levels. Raw honey helps to fuel the body and the mind while making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties make it a great remedy for the immune system. Here's how to make garlic-infused honey for use as a natural home remedy to boost your immune system and keep your body healthy. Ingredients: 3 to 4 heads of garlic, 1 cup of raw honey, a small jar with a lid. Separate the heads of garlic into individual cloves. Don't peel the cloves, but remove the outer layer. Fill the jar with the unpeeled garlic cloves. Slowly pour the honey over the cloves. Use a spoon to release any trapped air bubbles. Make sure the cloves are completely covered by honey and put the lid on the jar. Allow the mixture to infuse for a few days, either in the fridge or at room temperature. Taste and enjoy. Taking garlic and honey every day would keep your body fit and strong. This helps to heal your body from common cold by reducing the viral load and boosts up your immunity to reduce its severity.